Taiyo gets lost.
It's a fine morning. Oh, look, there's Taiyo.
That woke me up.
Good morning, Taiyo.
Good morning to you too, Rogi.
You guys are up bright and early. What's come over you, Rogi? You're never up early.
Well, that's not true.
Good morning, Lanny.
Good morning, everyone. You're all up so early today.
Good morning, Citu.
Taiyo, it's your first day here. How do you feel?
I feel great.
Good. I'll give you a tour of the garage today.
That sounds great.
Hey, you want to go wash up, Rogi?
Sounds good.
See you later, Taiyo.
Enjoy your tour.
Let's start over there.
Okay.
This is the repair shop.
Wow, this place is so cool.
Hannah!
Citu! Hello! Is anything wrong?
Oh, no, I'm fine.
Oh, who's your little friend?
This is Taiyo. He came here last night.
How do you do?
So, you're Taiyo, the new bus.
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you. I'm the mechanic, Hannah.
Hi.
Oh my, you're wearing a funny expression. Are you all right?
I'm fine.
Oh, there's a smudge. Oh, I've made it bigger now. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm sure it'll wash off.
Well, come see me if you ever feel sick, okay?
Okay.
We'll be on our way now.
Bye. It was nice meeting you.
Well, let's go see the car wash next.
Okay.
Huh? Oh, what's on my face?
This is the car wash.
This is so refreshing.
Awesome.
Have you seen the repair shop, Taiyo?
I met Hannah. She seems like a fun person.
Oh, Taiyo's here. Did you just get here? Now that we're clean, Lanny, let's go get our tanks filled.
Okay.
See you later, Taiyo.
We'll catch you later.
Okay, bye, guys.
Taiyo,
Yeah?
why don't I show you how to wash yourself?
Yeah, sounds fun.
First, you have to go in there.
Okay. I'm in. That tickles. This feels great. Wow. Ta-da! How do I look?
Shiny and squeaky clean. Our next stop is the gas station.
Let's go.
This is where we come to fill our gas tanks.
Wow, this place looks interesting.
You should always remember to keep your tank full.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you're full of energy. Okay, why don't you go in?
Please alter your position.
Slide forward, Taiyo. Good. Now, open your cap. Did you hear that, Taiyo?
I didn't hear anything. I'll try it again. It's open.
Refueling will commence.
The monitor shows how the fueling is going.
Oh, I see.
Citu! It's time for work.
Oh, right. Rogi, do you mind finishing Taiyo's tour for me?
No problem.
See you later, Taiyo.
Bye.
You are now fully fueled.
It says I'm done.
Let's go. Over here is the school.
Wow, it's huge. What do you learn here?
we learn everything we need to know about working downtown.
Oh.
Over there, we also have an area where you can practice driving.
Oh. I see.
Oh, right.
Huh?
I nearly forgot. I have to go to work, too.
Really?
So many interesting things happen to you downtown.
Wow, like what?
You'll see for yourself when you start working.
Oh.
Well, I have to go. You wait here.
Okay.
See you later.
Huh? Huh?
Woohoo!
Interesting things, huh? I know. I'm gonna follow him. Tayo, the little bus. Huh? It's a red light. Oh, I have to stop.
Oh no! Tayo's lost Rogi.
Come on, change. It's the green light. Let's go. Where could he be? Rogi! I don't see him anywhere. Oh well, I'll just take a quick look around and then head back.
Huh? That looks like Tayo. But it can't be him. Tayo should be in the garage, practicing how to drive.
Wow! There's so many things to see here. Look at all those buildings. They're so tall.
Hey!
Yikes!
You can't just cut in like that.
I'm sorry.
Look where you're going, kid.
I'll have to be more careful. Huh? Isn't that's Nori! Nori! Huh? Oh. There she is. Nori!
Who's Nori?
I must have made a mistake.
Hey, get moving, will ya?
Oh, right. Where am I? Oh no! What am I gonna do? I don't know the way home!
What? You can't find Tayo anywhere?
No, he's been gone for a while.
I hope he hasn't gone downtown.
Downtown?
I kinda told him that it was really fun there.
I knew it. So it was Tayo that I saw on the road. Let's go find Tayo.
Okay.
He might come back while you're out, so I'll wait for him here.
Okay.
Where am I? What am I gonna do? I don't recognize anything.
Tayo, where could he be?
Tayo, where are you?
Tayo, where are you?
Oh no! There he goes right now.
Where am I?
Tayo!
Tayo!
Huh? Well, this place looks familiar. Huh? I must be going around in circles.
Tayo, where are you?
Tayo!
What am I gonna do? Oh, Mr. Policeman!
Tayo, are you working already?
Actually, I just came out by myself and I lost my way.
You're a little troublemaker, aren't you?
I'm sorry.
Tayo, we'll take you home, so follow us. Let's go.
Huh? There goes Tayo!
You're right. Tayo!
Tayo!
Oh, Citu!
Tayo, we've been searching for you everywhere.
I'm sorry.
Taiyo! I'm so glad we found you!
I'm sorry I made you guys worry.
No, I'm the one who should be sorry.
What do you have to be sorry for?
I tempted you by telling you about downtown.
It's all right. I never should have come out here all by myself. Anyway, it'll be loads of fun when I do start working downtown.
Oh, what a little rascal.
Thank you for bringing Taiyo back.
It's our pleasure. Have a safe trip home.
All right, see you around, Taiyo.
Thank you, and goodbye.
Taiyo, try to be more careful from now on.
I will.
Okay, you guys, it's back to the garage.
Okay, we're off!
We're so glad you're safe, Taiyo. It's very dangerous to wander off by yourself. Please, be more careful in the future.